Hello students, good afternoon. How are you doing? I believe that you are safe and you are healthy as well. I would like to welcome you to our math class today. In today's lesson, we will be continuing our topic on the mode. So last week we studied about the mode and you did fantastic about your task. We are looking at two key things that are a bit confusing when it comes to finding the mode, and it involves either a frequency table or it involves a chart. Okay, so first we will look at the simple way of finding a mode, and we will remember or remind ourselves about what a mode actually is. So a mode means we are looking for the most common value. Okay, so that means the value or the item that is most common. That is what we are looking for when we talk about the mode. So our first example, we say find the mode. So this is a set of numbers that we need to find the mode, and we are looking for the most common value. So we find 2, 3, 8, 10, 2, 6, 8, and 2. So if you look at how the arrangement is, if you don't even reorder this arrangement, you can easily know that the most common value here is 2, because 2 is appearing 1, 2, 3. So 2 is appearing 3 times. That means 2 becomes the most common value. Okay? Whilst because 8 is just 1, 2, 3 is appearing 1 time, 6 is also appearing just 1 time. So the mode becomes 2. Okay. So here we say that the mode is 2. Okay, so 2 becomes our mode. Okay, let's look at our second example. This is where I want you to pay much attention, because we are coming to talk about a table. So this is Alex. Okay, it is Alex. He's a boy. So Alex asked his friends to name their favorite fruits. The table below shows the results. What is the mode? So this table is about a survey that Alex did with his friends. A survey means you ask questions and you get response. Okay, so he asked his friends, and these are the fruits that his friends named as their favorite fruits. So orange, 4 of his friends named orange. Banana, 10 of his friends named banana. Mango, 4 of his friends named mango. Grape, 9 of his friends named it. And then berry, 7 of his friends named berry. So our question is to find the mode. That means we have to find which of these fruits came out common. Okay? So here, don't be confused about the numbers here, that we have 4 here and we have 4 here, so 4 is the mode. No, because this is frequency. Frequency means the number of times something happened, occurred, or appeared. Okay, so if we are putting a list like orange, banana, comma, grape, mango, and then we come to berry. The frequency here means that we have to write this orange 4 times. We have to write this banana 10 times. Okay, it has to appear in this list 10 times. Mango has to appear 4 times, and then grape has to appear 9 times, okay, and then berry has to appear 7 times. So with that look, it means that we will write more of banana in our list. So 10 of banana becomes the mode, okay. So over here, what is the mode? So the mode becomes banana, okay. So the mode becomes banana. Very good. So now let's go to our final example. 5 friends went on a treasure hunt. The graph below shows the number of items each person found. What was the modal number of items found? So we see that these are the names of the 5 friends. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. And over here are the number of items that they found in the treasure hunt. We're supposed to find the modal number, okay? So here we are looking for the modal number. That means we have to look at the number of items each person found. Now when we look here, we see that Anna found 8 items, okay? So Anna found 8 items. Maya found 12 items. And then Ola found 8 items. Okay, Lily found 4 items, and then Alex found only 2 items. Okay, so these are the numbers of items that each person found in the hunt, and we are supposed to look for the modal number of items. That means here we are not looking for how many, but we are looking for the most common found number. So you could see that 8 is appearing 2 times, okay? So 8 becomes the modal number, okay? So we say the modal number is 8. I hope you have seen the difference between this graph and that of this table, how to always look for the mode. The frequency means the number of times something is appearing, whilst here it is just individuals and the numbers that they have gotten. So the numbers that they have gotten is what we will use to find our modal number. Thank you for this section. Your first activity will be posted to you whilst we meet in our second video. Hello students, welcome back to our second section on our class today. Our lesson is finding the mode, and it is from unit 14, page 78 of our textbook. We have gone through some examples in our first video, and on this video we will look at one more example to still get different examples of finding the mode. In this example, we see that Grace went on a collection trip last weekend and collected different kinds of marbles. So we are looking for the mode of Grace marble, okay? So that means what is the mode of Grace marble? Okay, so let's look at the chart of how she grouped these marbles. So first we look at marble size. So she's having large and small. So there are a couple of large that she collected and that of small ones that she collected. The marbles also came with different colors. So these are marble color. We have blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, and that of black. Here we look at the amount of marbles that she collected in respect to color and that of size. The first one, she had 1 and 3, 1, 2, 8, 5, and finally 1. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the mode of the marble, okay? So that means we have to look for the most common value, the most common value. We have 1, 3, 1, 2, 8, 5, 1. So obviously 1 is the most common value. So our mode becomes, the mode is 1. Okay, students, on this section I will post your second activity for you to still practice on different examples of finding the mode. I'll see you in our last video. This is our final video on our lesson, the mode. I am confident and sure that you have enjoyed the first and the second sections of our class today. On conclusion, we will say that it has been a nice time, and we always have to remember that mode is finding the most common value. Most common value could be in a form of a frequency, or it could be in a form of values appearing in different or many times, okay? So it is always about which one is common that you are seeing in the picture that you are looking. It could be numbers, it could be drawings, it could be list of names or list of items. All that you are looking for in your mode is that you are looking for the most common appearing or occurring value or item. Once you have that at the back of your mind, you will never miss any question that relates to finding the mode. Finding the modal class also means that we are finding the mode. So don't be confused when you see either the modal class, the modal number, or to find the mode. Thank you so much for joining this class and showing the biggest cooperation. I'll post your homework for you once we finish watching this video, and I'll see you in class next week. Goodbye.